In this demo, you will learn how to check the spacing requirements around the backdrill pin and via to other design objects such as trace, shape, pin, via, plated, and non-plated holes. Zoom into a through-pin hole, which is backdrilled. You can see the backdrill span, from layer 2 to layer, and must not cut layers are displayed in the backdrill. You can also see a route keepout present in the backdrill. This route keepout protects the copper from getting too close to the backdrill but doesn't confirm the required spacing to be maintained between backdrill holes to other design objects. You can confirm the spacing requirements between the backdrill and other design objects by setting the Allegro DesignTrue DFM constraints. You need to follow the typical constraint set flow. First, enable the backdrill check, Constraints. To do that, go to Setup, Constraints and select Modes. You will get the Analysis Modes form open. Under the Design for Fabrication, select Copper Spacing Checks. Expand non-plated checks and enable the backdrill pin and via checks. Select Apply and click OK. Now open the Constraint Manager and create the required DFM constraint set. Go to Manufacturing section, Design for Fabrication and select Copper Spacing Constraint. Select New C-Set to create a new constraint set. Enter the name for the constraint set as backdrill_demo. Click OK to create the new constraint set. For this test, assume the backdrill pin and via to other design objects we will maintain a spacing value of 11 and 7 mils, respectively. The backdrill checks are present under the non-plated section. Expand the non-plated, backdrill pin hole to and backdrill via hole to sections. Enter the values in the Constraint Manager. For this test, assume the backdrill pin and via to other design objects we will maintain a spacing value of 11 and 7 mils. The backdrill via hole to backdrill via hole spacing requirement is the most often requested constraint check in the backdrill check category. After creating the constraint set, assign the created constraint to the layers in the design. Go to the Design section and assign the created constraint set to the referenced DFF constraint set. Apply the constraint to the all-column cell for conductor and plane sections. Expand the conductor and plane layers to see all the listed electrical layers. You can see the values are applied under the non-plated category, backdrill checks. Now close the Constraint Manager. Update the DRC by going to Tools and selecting Update DRC. Now probe the DRC errors nearer to backdrill pins, via, and C lines. You can observe the DRC errors for spacing violations between backdrill via to backdrill via. Now, you can move the tracks and vias using the slide command. Now, I am probing one more DRC error that shows backdrill via to copper spacing error. Again, I use the slide option to clear this DRC error. This way, you can check for spacing issues around the backdrill pins and vias to other design objects. This concludes the demo that shows performing backdrill spacing checks around the backdrill pins and vias using the Allegro X DesignTrue DFM.